During the most recent round of fundraising, prominent crypto influencer Ben Armstrong, a former member of BITBOY Crypto, took to Twitter to refute rumors that he possesses $80 million in XRP. It is possible that XRP will fall from its recent high of 93 cents to retest its 4-year trend line, at which point it is expected to stage a big rally, according to historical data. But what if this forecast actually comes true? Researchers at Japan's Kyoto University have found a substantial inverse association between the price of XRP and the structure of its transaction network during bubble periods. Keep reading to find out the rest. If this is something that interests you, I highly recommend watching this brand new video right now. Greetings, and thank you for tuning in to our channel, where we discuss breaking news in the XRP community and the cryptocurrency industry at large. If this is your first time seeing one of our videos, please accept our warmest greetings. According to a recent study, Armstrong's XRP holdings are worth at least $80 million. According to the story, Armstrong has a large amount of XRP, but he still asked the XRP community for money so he could pay for a legal battle in which he is embroiled. Laugh out loud. In response, Armstrong made a statement. He then proceeded to provide a very specific explanation of what had happened. In his response tweet, Armstrong admitted to having business dealings with Timothy Shedd, Armstrong's former chief financial officer, and the defunct crypto lending firm Celsius. Armstrong claims that the CFO of the media company for which he works, HID Network, is a shithead who supported the loss of $3 million in crypto assets on the Celsius platform. Furthermore, he pointed out that despite his father's lack of financial skills, HIT Network CEO TJ Shedd had appointed him CFO. The biggest problem was that the now-defunct platform still had the company's and Armstrong's XRP. Armstrong added that despite his father's mishandling of cash, the CEO of the successful television network had refused to fire him. Armstrong complained that his money had been stolen. David Schwartz, CTO of Ripples, was also interested in the claim that Armstrong has 160 million XRP but still needs money. Schwartz said the publication was unreliable garbage. He claims the article makes no sense at all. Even though Schwartz occasionally pokes fun at Armstrong Onyx, he still manages to bring up this remark. Others in the XRP community have complained about the magazine as well, saying that it contains inaccurate or misleading information. Some people said it was just an attempt to get people to click. They made a valid argument that the author overlooked important information when evaluating Armstrong's donation wallet. In this case, the address belonged to a cryptocurrency exchange, and the destination tag contained the crypto influencer's unique identification, which was disregarded by the author. That example, the $80 million XRP is the total amount held in the exchange wallet. It was speculated that just 1034 XRP had been donated to Armstrong's XRP wallet. Rob Hart, a crypto analyst based in Dubai, highlighted this trend in a recent research, confirming that XRP has repeatedly returned to the same trend line and experienced recurrent falls over the previous 4 years. His analysis was supported by a daily chart of XRP, which showed that the price had previously retested the trend line's support before launching a massive rally. Robert concluded that it was reasonable to expect XRP to do so once more before launching its next explosive rally. The chart data shows that the XRP market has experienced frequent falls over the past 4 years. In March of 2020, XRP dropped to 11 cents, marking the first retest of the trend line. After hitting bottom, XRP staged a remarkable comeback, rising all the way to 78 cents by November 24, 2020. This rise corresponded to a 575% jump following the second evaluation. After reaching a high of 78 cents, XRP's value has fallen continuously until it struck a low of 17 cents on December 29, 2020, a decline of approximately 77%. The SEC accusations brought against Ripple on December 22, 2020, contributed to the significant selling pressure in the XRP market, causing the price to drop. XRP's drawdown was brief as it encountered resistance near the trend line. Asset price will increase by 986%, from 217 cents in April 2021 after a retest to $1.96. After nearly a year of intense fighting with the bears, a correction of many months' duration followed this upswing. On June 18, 2022, XRP's value has dropped by 85%, from $1.96 to 28 cents. For example, in January of this year, when XRP sank to 30 cents, it retested the trend line and then proceeded to rise by a more modest 92%. After initially falling after the defeat, it climbed to a high of 93 cents on July 13. However, the asset is currently experiencing a decline from this peak after erasing much of the gains made during this costly correction. From its high of 93 cents, XRP has fallen 51%. Hi, Rob Barr anticipates that the asset's decline will persist until it reaches the trend line and reverses. From 93 cents, the analyst projects a drop to 34 cents, or a drop of 63.36%. Robert thinks that XRP needs to fall to this price before it can make a significant rally. But he hasn't established any price goals, and XRP is trading at 51 cents right now, down 1.89% from its all-time high a week ago. In spite of the setbacks, the asset is up 51% so far in 2018. Now let's get down to business and see if there's any connection between the XRP price and the makeup of the transaction network. If you want to be among the first to know about any new developments with XRP, be sure to subscribe to our channel and enable push notifications. The dynamic relationship between the price of XRP and the correlation tensor structure of its transaction network was recently captured in a report issued by graduate scholars at Kyoto University in Japan. An explanation of what the correlation tensor specter of a network is would be helpful here. The goal is to establish connections and patterns among various nodes. Read, a major XRP influencer Hoff Kahneman highlighted the paper to the XRP community in a recent tweet. The researchers expanded on a prior study covering the years around 2018. This expansion is what has come to be known as the crypto bubble. According to the results, the greatest singular values produced from the correlation tensors taken from weekly XRP transaction networks demonstrated a significant anti-correlation with the price of XRP. In layman's terms, it discovered a robust and consistent pattern. Values computed from XRP transactions went down as the price of XRP went up, while values calculated from XRP transactions went up as the price of XRP went down. Notably, this follow-up study assessed and analyzed the huge single values distribution for XRP transaction networks using the methodology of correlation tensor spectra. They used empirical correlation tensor data and random matrix theory in their investigation. Over the course of their 2-year study, which included the XRP market's bubble and non-bubble periods, they found no statistically significant relationship between XRP price and the greatest single value. A substantial negative association between XRP price and the biggest unique value was found, however, during the bubble era. Researchers identified a group of driver nodes that significantly impacted the XRP market during the bubble era using data from the single vectors. These results demonstrate the promise of correlation tensor spectrum in analyzing the complex relationship between the XRP exchange rate and the network of transactions that supports it. This study shed light on the role that market conditions had in shaping this correlation, illuminating the workings of the XRP market in both bubble and non-bubble eras. Finally, Ripple, a blockchain business, plans to massively increase its personnel, primarily in Canada. So it seems from recent reports. London, Singapore, and Australia are among the other locations where applications are being accepted. For its Toronto headquarters, Ripple is actively recruiting for a wide variety of positions, including those of principal engineers, senior software engineers with expertise in areas such as machine learning and data platform, and a variety of managers. In a recent interview, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse said the business would focus 80% of its employment efforts on international markets in 2018. He is dissatisfied with the current state of regulations in the United States. However, Ripple is still hiring in both New York and San Francisco. This video has reached its conclusion. Viewers who have found it entertaining should give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell to be notified. See you later, bye.